نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. Respected judges and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I would like to speak on a topic that is both inspiring and often misunderstood: Islam and the world. When we talk about the contributions of Islam, we are not speaking only about religion, but about a complete civilization that the world shaped in medicine, science, culture, and human development. 14 centuries ago, Islam brought a revolution that changed how people thought, learned, and interacted with knowledge. At a time when much of the world was covered in darkness and superstition, Islam declared that seeking knowledge is an obligation. This single teaching became the foundation of an intellectual awakening. Islamic scholars played a crucial role in building the scientific foundation of the modern world. They did not merely preserve Greek knowledge, they expanded it. Al-Khwarizmi, the father of algebra, introduced concepts that are still used in mathematics and computer science. Ibn al-Haytham, the pioneer of optics, laid the groundwork for modern cameras and visual sciences. Al-Biruni measured the Earth's circumference with astonishing accuracy and wrote work on astronomy, physics, and geography. Dear listeners, these contributions were not accidental. They were driven by a worldview that encouraged observation, reflection, and understanding the science of God in nature. Islamic civilization also became a global leader in medicine. Ibn Sina wrote the Canon of Medicine, which remained Europe's standard medical textbook for almost 600 years. Hospitals in Baghdad, Damascus, and Cordoba introduced systematic treatment and specialized wards, medical ethics. Centuries before such practices appeared in Europe, Muslim doctors emphasized hygiene, diet, surgery, and mental health, setting the stage for modern medical science. Dear listeners, beyond science, Islam deeply enriched global culture. Islamic architecture, see in places like the Alhambra, the Blue Mosque, and the Taj Mahal, demonstrates a blend of beauty, geometry, and spirituality. In literature, poets like Rumi, Al-Mutanabbi, and Iqbal shaped world thought with poetry that speaks to the human soul. The Islamic Golden Age also produced advancements in science, economics, law, navigation, and art. Muslims introduced universities, libraries, and public hospitals, and even urban. The planning system influenced the world for centuries. My dear brothers, Islam gave the world core values that remain relevant today: justice, equality, compassion, and the dignity of every human being. The Quran calls humanity to reflect, to learn, and to treat others with kindness. It teaches us that the best among us are those who bring benefit to others. Dear listeners, Islam is not only a faith, it's a complete civilization that lifted the world intellectually, morally, and culturally. Its contributions continue to shape our modern lives, whether in mathematics, computer science, or global culture. Dear listeners, as we look towards the future, understanding Islam's contributions is not just a matter of history. It's a reminder of what humanity can achieve when knowledge is honorable, when diversity is respected, and when we work together for common good. Here I conclude my speech. I'm grateful for your time and your attention. Have a good day. Thank you.